Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the skate error code 990104014. The error reads, "You have been disconnected from the server. Please try to reconnect." See ea.com, unable to connect for additional information. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch the game, but it won't load and instead shows this error. According to our findings, this error happens due to server-side issues, connection problems, or regional restrictions. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart the game or your PC. Simply close the game, then restart your computer, and then try to launch the game again. And check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then power cycle your router and check for any pending updates. To do this, turn off your router, then unplug it from the power source, then wait for a minute, then plug it back in and restart it. Also, make sure your game and system are up to date. Then check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, then try using an alternate DNS. You can switch to a public DNS such as Google DNS or Cloudflare. Once you've changed the DNS, relaunch the game and check for the error again. If the error still continues, try turning off crossplay from the game settings. Then disable the crossplay feature and then try to play again. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then verify the game files and try launching the game through the EA app. To verify the files, go to your game library, then find the game, then right-click on it, and select the option to verify or repair the game files. Once done, try again and check if the error still comes. If you still get the error, then try using a VPN. Some users shared that using a VPN helped them bypass the issue. So, connect to a different region using a VPN and see if the error still comes. If the error still comes and you suspect it's due to a specific region, then consider using a tool like GearUp Booster. It has worked for some users facing similar regional issues. At last, if the error doesn't resolve, then it might be due to ongoing server updates. In such cases, it's not an issue on your end. So we suggest you visit help.ea.com/en server status and check if the EA or Skate servers are down. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.